Alright, given the equation x squared plus 4x plus 2 equal to 0. When you are given such a question to solve, and then you have to use the quadratic formula, which we have proved in our previous video as minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared, square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So if we are to go by the formula method, then right from here, you say you first need to identify your a, your b, and then your c. Okay, so when you look at the question, your a is the coefficient of the variable with the highest power. So here, when you look at the question here, you see that we have x squared. This one has the highest power, so we take the coefficient of the variable with the highest power. So here, the variable with the highest power, this x here, has a coefficient of 1. So it means that our a is equal to 1, and our b is the coefficient of the variable with the second highest power. So this x here has a power of 1. So it means that the variable with the second highest power is the x power 1, which has a coefficient of 4. So it means your b is equal to 4, and then your c is the constant, which is 2. So what we need to do next is that you need to substitute these values into the formula here. So wherever you see a, you have to put 1 there. Wherever you see b, you have to put 4 there. Wherever you see c, you have to put 2 there. Okay, let's move on. So it means your x will be equal to minus b from the formula, minus b. So it means we have b to be 4, so minus b, we are going to have minus 4, and then plus or minus the square root of 4. We have 4 squared, okay, and then we have minus 4ac, but we know a to be 1, and then c to be 2 from the question, all over 2 into a. So the next thing is for us to simplify. So we have minus 4, okay, and then we have plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 8, okay. So we have 16 minus 8, and then this is over 2. Alright, so we further simplify this as minus 4 plus or minus the square root of 8. Okay, sorry for the inconveniences. So square root of 8, and then this is over 2. Okay, so the next thing is that we further simplify this as 4 plus or minus, so you can have this root 4 times root 2, and then this is over 2, okay, So this and that will give us, so we have minus 4 plus or minus 2 root 2 all over 2. So we further simplify this as x is equal to minus 2 plus root 2 or your x is equal to minus 2 minus root 2. So that is that. Since this and this are now of the same term, we can further simplify. So you leave this as your final answer. Thank you.